Hi guys, I'm Silas. Welcome to my channel. This video is for completely new users on WeChat. I teach you how to use WeChat properly. Let's dive into it. WeChat sign up. For some users, it may be a little bit hard to create WeChat account as it requires verification when you sign up WeChat account. If you don't have WeChat account, you can check out these tutorials. And there is important thing you need to know. WeChat could be blocked easily, so you need to know how to prevent it from blocking before it is too late. If your account getting blocked, do not create a new one immediately. It will cause your new account blocked as well. WeChat password. All Chinese social medias need you to provide phone number to use it, so it might skip the password setting, but you do need to set a password because most Chinese social media will fail to send the SMS code to you and you can't log in account if you neither have SMS code nor password. To set up WeChat password or change the password, here it is. Press Me, Settings, press Account Security, and click on password. I have set up a password before, so here is for me to change a new password. If you didn't set up password, then it is for you to set a password. Trust me, don't forget to set up password. And take note for your password. If you forgot your password and lost your phone, then you may lose your account forever. WeChat Language. WeChat supports 20 languages. Here is what you need to go if you want to change the language. Press Me, press Settings, General, and click on Language, and then choose the language you need and save it. WeChat Translate. Note, WeChat Translate by the language you have set up. For example, here I select English language, then go to the chatting box, long press the message, and then click on Translate. The result is in English. If I set up Chinese language, then the result is in Chinese. And you can translate the WeChat Moments post. Long press the content and then click on Translate. And you can translate the text of pictures and extract text. Besides, you can even translate the content of WeChat official account. WeChat ID. WeChat ID is a unique certificate for your account. It can only be changed once per year. If you're new on WeChat, then you definitely need to change your WeChat ID, as the default WeChat ID you got is some random digital numbers and alphabets. Nobody can memorize it. You need to set up an easy to read and memorized WeChat ID. WeChat ID is the main way to add friends. You can find your WeChat ID under your profile name, click it, and click WeChat or Weixin ID to change your ID. WeChat official account. WeChat official account is for individuals or companies to post content or provide service. If you haven't subscribed to any WeChat official account, you can click on the search bar and searching it. For example, you want to read news, tap what you want to search for, and filter by official account to get more specific results. Click it and follow it. I want to read it, but I can't understand Chinese language, then you can click on this 3 dots icon and click Translate Full Text. Add Friends. Click on plus icon and then click Add Contacts. Enter the WeChat ID and search it, and click Add to send friend request, or scan the QR code to add friends. This is my WeChat QR code. Scan it, I will be your friend. And you can share WeChat contacts to other WeChat friends. WeChat Scan. Tap the plus icon, click Scan. Point your camera to the QR code. If the QR code is on your phone, tap Album to find it and scan it. You can use it to scan a tracking number, products, plants, or animals. It is useless for you if you are not in China, but this feature is what you need if you are in China. Currently, it is not easy to visit China because of the COVID. I do believe the COVID will be gone soon and the door of China will be open again. Welcome to China. You can read Chinese characters. You can use WeChat Scan to translate the full menu, road signs, etc., even the article. WeChat Post. That's WeChat Moment. WeChat Moments is where you can post content like pictures, videos, and text, and share articles. It is the key feature for individuals to do business on WeChat. That's what we call WeSign. Post your products or service on that. Go to Discover. Press the first one, Moments. Tap the camera icon. You can shoot a video or photo by clicking Camera, or choose from album. Tap here to take a picture. Hold it to shoot a video. Hold and drag up or down to zoom in or zoom out. And you can add stickers, captions, or music. And trim the video length down. Say something to add text, or you can share the location, mention your friends. Visible too is for you to set the moments for public, or don't share to someone you don't want them to see your moments. Go back to Moments to see your friends' posts. Click these two dots. You can like it or comment on the post. What's up? What's up is kind of bio of your WeChat. It is really easy to find on the old version, but it is extremely hard to find that now. Here is where you should go. Click your profile and click More Info. Add your bio here and your gender and region on here. WeChat block someone. If you want to block someone, just go to their profile, click here, turn this on to block it, and click Privacy to hide my posts to this friend, or hide their posts if you don't want to see their posts. Voice call and video call. You can make voice call or video call on WeChat just like other social media. When pick up video call, you can switch it to voice call if you are not convenient at the moment. Click here to make the background blur. Ringtone. Look, my video call or voice call has a ringtone. Anyone calls me will hear my ringtone. If you don't like the default ringtone, you can set up your own ringtone. Click your profile and search for Zoom as your ringtone, just like this. Quote. Sometimes you need to answer the old message. You can use quotes. You can use quote that message and reply to that one. Long press the message you want to reply and click quote. This is very useful, especially when you are talking on WeChat Group. Recall. You can recall the message within 2 minutes. Long press the message and click Recall. Stickers and emojis. Stickers is fun. You can search related stickers here. Long press the stickers, click and save the stickers or emojis to save it. And click on related stickers. Besides, you can record your own stickers. Tap this victory sign, choose the effect you want, and hold here to record it. Once you add the stickers, they will be showing out in here. And the heart shape here are the custom stickers. And these are added from the sticker gallery. Click sticker gallery here. You can find stickers or emojis and add them. Or you can search it. Tap the settings icon here. You can manage your stickers or emojis here. WeChat Group. Many people don't know how to create WeChat Group. Click the plus icon and new chat, and then select at least one contact. Tap down. The group is set up. You can invite more friends to the group. Go to group and tap this 3 dots icon. Tap plus icon to invite friends. Minus sign to delete friends from this group. If nobody talks in the group for quite a long time, it will be a little hard to find the group. It only shows up when someone talking, so I recommend you to save the group to contacts. You can always find a group you save to contacts on here. Did you have any questions about WeChat? Just comment below and I will show you some hidden features on WeChat. See you next video. Bye.